So, in the daylight, you can see our recycled plastic is all over the yard and up against the creek bank. See that? Lots to clean up. There's our dog. But yeah, you couldn't see just a whole lot last night, but I'm going to show you what it looks like in the daytime. There's the boat, and there's the motor. And yeah, it's a mess here. It even moved the deep freezer a little bit. Yeah, there's the limb I was talking about. And sorry, it didn't uproot the tree, but it snapped it from the ground. But yeah, there's the tree. Wild, right? That's a pretty big tree. They're not just a huge tree, but you know, here is you can't see it from here, but that's the grass is covering it up, but that's where it was. And you can see that it was pretty close to my bedroom window, which is the far one right there. And anyway, that wasn't the only damage. As you can see, our roof. Look at that. That sucks. We're gonna have to do an insurance claim. And yeah. So I'm sure there's other crap we don't know about, but that's it. You see it in the daytime. Still wet. Anyway, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.